In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export HTML from Mailchimp's new builder. Whether you're looking to use your email designs in other platforms or want to have a backup, this process will allow you to save your hard work. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Go ahead and open your web browser, navigate to the Mailchimp website, and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the next thing you'll want to do is save your email design as a template. This is crucial because it will enable us to export the HTML. Navigate over to the campaign section. Within this area, you'll find the All Campaigns option, which will list all the campaigns you've created. Look through this list to find the specific email campaign you wish to export as HTML. When you've located it, click the Edit button situated next to its name. This action will open your email design in the builder. Now, look towards the upper corner of the design area, where you'll see a drop down arrow right next to the Save and Exit button. Click on this arrow and you'll see the option to save your design as a template. Choose this option, then follow the prompt to name your template. Be sure to pick a name that will help you remember what this template is for. Something clear and descriptive works best. Once you've named your template, remember to save it. Next, we'll go over how to access your saved template. On the left hand side menu, find the content section and click on Email Templates. Here you'll see a list of all your saved templates. Find the template you just saved from the list. Once you've located it, you'll notice a drop down menu next to the Edit button. Click this drop down menu and select the Export as HTML option. At this point, a warning may appear, informing you that exported templates will not retain the drag and drop functionality if you choose to import them back into Mailchimp. This is an important detail to remember. It simply means that if you re-import the template, some editing features will be limited. If you're okay with that, click Export Template to move forward. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your email design as an HTML file. You can now take this file and use it in other platforms or keep it as a backup. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on utilizing Mailchimp to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching and see you next time.